the burning ground. Ancient rhythm, sacred sound. Djembe calling through the night. Make your shadows in the light. Smoke and fire in the air. Freedom screaming everywhere. Roots run deep, but the rage is near. Two worlds clash when I appear. Heartbeat, tribal, electric soul. Lose control, let it roll. This is jungle voltage. Reggae fire in a metal cage. Djembe thunder, guitar scream. Living wild inside. of the fallen city. Beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe, thunder, guitar, scream. Living inside the same old dream. No escape, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. Rise up. Rise up. Break the sky. We don't live, we never die. From the ashes we unite. Drums of war in the night. I feel the city in my veins. I feel the fire in my pain. No control, no reason why. We are the storm that never dies. We are the rhythm of the fallen city. Beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe, thunder, guitar, scream. We are more than just a dream. No chains left, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. ashes we ignite. Jungle voltage. Reggae fire in a metal rage. Djembe thunder, chaos scream. We are more than what we seem. Break the chains, ignite the sound. Let the rhythm shake the ground. Forever wild, forever alive. We are the storm that will survive. The ground is breathing. From the burning sand, footprints shaking this broken land. Hear the djembe call my name, like it knows my hidden pain. Moonlight carving on my face, lost inside a sacred place.